Uh, what you know about it?
Black Boy Beats.
Pussy nigga, what you know about it? Fuck nigga, what you know about it? Lil B, what you know about it? Same flow, nothing don't move unless I say so. Play-Doh was the last track, but I've been playing with dough since I hit the flow. Everybody wanna whip the chicken, a fight over food you can cook in the kitchen. My black ass is off in the deep end with a naked freak bitch that's Puerto Rican. Hola mami, I wanna know can you bring the cola to Bobby? Sosa taught me, you gotta have good snow to go ski probably. I'm no sorry, won't catch me sliding and nobody might see. Hell no, not me, I'd rather eat a bag of wasabi takis. With a stuffed nose, I only go where the dough flows. If there's no dough, you can count on your 10 toes. I'll be no show. Hold your breath, bro. Watch you die slow. Like construction workers falling from the fourth floor in slow-mo. What you know about it? Pussy nigga, what you know about it? Fuck nigga, what you know about it? Lil B, what you know about it? Turn the lights down, let's make this right so we can go wrong. It's been so long, feeling is so strong. You'll be dead wrong. On my British shit, you don't want me to go skittish, bitch. When I'm in this bitch, you wanna phone a friend and be a witness quick. What is this? My mind moves quick as shit. One mention this to the shit, a bitch won't pop from this, you won't mention shit. No Twitter shit. Colostomy if this bitch will live. Call that some weed if you ain't lit like this. My bitch got bitches, sis. What you know about it? Pussy nigga, what you know about it? Fuck nigga, what you know about it?
I'm going to shit on you. Man, I'm to the point right now where a nigga don't faze me. I was gonna chase me. Nigga wanna blame me, they say I'm crazy. Like, why would another bitch blame me? Like, everybody want me, pay me. I ain't never give a fuck about a nigga, but my niggas when they gun up on the triggers on my niggas got my back. And when they come to getting money, on my niggas on that. And eyes right me, nigga, eyes stage rap. Why would I love it? I don't wanna die, bitch. I'm all about my money. I still my guy, bitch. I damn motherfucker ever try to take mine, bitch. I damn motherfucker ever try to take mine. Cause haters got you in. Stick to your hustle, I supply. Let me speak, they don't reply. Cause if you slip, then I'ma slide, yeah. Sensei in the seat right now, right? Get a pussy nigga ass beat right now, right? And every killer that you know in the city, right in Brazil, right? And none of your bitches, little man, ain't my nigga, just get right. Gotta mention what the chopper bigger than a motherfucker. Nigga kill your family, couldn't even challenge a lot. I'm talking size wise, stupid motherfucker.
Playing dumber than the most, nigga, I'm grabbing the toast. I ain't talking about jelly. Bitch older than the most, 940, nigga. I ain't all killing. What you know about it? Pussy nigga, what you know about it? Fuck nigga, what you know about it? Lil B, what you know about it? What you know about it?
Black Boy Beats.
Pussy nigga, what you know about it? Fuck nigga, what you know?
Bro, I ain't never think I was gonna make it out that shit. I'd like to thank Sweet Baby Jesus, 6 pound, 8 ounce Baby Jesus with a tuxedo shirt. I'd like to thank my teacher, the 2nd grade teacher, because that's the only teacher out of all the teachers I ever, you know what I'm saying, really believe a nigga would do something with himself. And I'd like to thank everybody that didn't believe I would do anything, because every time y'all thought I wasn't gonna do nothing, I do it. It's like, haha, fuck you, bitch ass nigga. Yeah, found my car. I got out the woods, nigga. I ain't lost forever, nigga. Kinda out of breath. I'm out of shape, but it's all good. They celebrating. They celebrating. Oh, they celebrating. I made it back to the car.